This video introduces you to the concept of microscopy. Microscopes allow us to see things we cannot with the naked eye. Light microscopes use light and various lenses to magnify the specimen on the slide. It magnifies individual cells, large subcellular structures, e.g. nuclei. Electron microscopes use electrons as opposed to light to view cells and structures. They have a much higher magnification and resolution than light microscopes. They allow us to view smaller subcellular structures, such as ribosomes and chloroplasts, in more detail. The magnification formula is used to help us find out the size and magnification of an object. Magnification equals image size, real size. Use the formula triangle to help you work out all three. Cover up the part you need to find, and use the remaining parts of the formula to work it out. As objects are being found are very small, it can be helpful to use standard form. This removes all the zeros in a very large or very small number, e.g. 0.025 can be written as 2.5 by 10 to the power of -2. For this to work, just move the decimal point. The first number before the decimal point needs to be between 1 and 10. The amount of places the number has moved left or right is represented by a power of 10. If the decimal point has moved to the right, it is a negative power of 10. And if it's to the left, then it is a negative power of 10.